Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Japanese, they call it tectonic, but in Dutch, they call it cijferblok. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 24th, 2022. I've already solved in this additional 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And now it's time for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic with 4 stars. And tectonic with 4 stars. This will be number, I believe, 5068. Yes, 5068. What kind of, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one 12, so could be an easy, could be a hard one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, my time limit, yes, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more for a 4 stars puzzle. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, always a 1. Following question, can we see here the dual boxes? Do we have any dual boxes here? Let me scan. No dual boxes. Triple boxes then? Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes. Then following question, quadra boxes. Well, I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Here, another quadra box in the L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this box, the inside box is always a 5. Okay. Quadra box. Here, another quadra box. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. More quadra boxes, no. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, we have here the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here, the Z shape. When you see the Z or the S, if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Remember that this box has the same name as that box. Alright, so this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box is the same name as this box. Alright, Z, only one Z shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one, mirrored. This box has the same name as that box, so in this case it's a 3. Okay, more? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Okay, here another one. this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Well, this box cannot be a 2. I've marked those two boxes with a 2, so this box can't be a 2 anymore, because we already have a 2 there. If I place a 2 here, this box should be also a 2, but we have a 2 here. So one digit left should be the 2. Or I've eliminated the 2 there, so the 2 goes here. Okay. Here. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape here, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. More L shapes. No, only one. And the last shape. Oh, wait. Let me draw this here. This box has the same number as that box. And the last shape in this puzzle is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes or figures, structures, constructions, whatever you name it, in this puzzle. 5 that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have here 5. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This area, these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1. It goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes can be a 3, because we have a 3 here. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These are 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. These are 3 boxes surround the 3, can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be 3, that box can be a 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 1. Because we have a double 1 here, but also this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 4. I think this box should be a... No. Wait. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 1 and the 2. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And now we have a 1 here. Oh wait, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, because if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. But also that box is connected with this box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution. Place the 1 here. The 1 supposed to be here. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me think. 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well. Told you, could be an easy one, could be an hard one. In this case, it's an easy one. No 4 stars, no 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudoku, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.